when we look today in the region, after each crisis, women are always the front line. They are the ones who are, bearing all the limits, the negative side of each crisis. But then when we are in the phase of post-crisis, they are excluded. And I think the COVID situation should be, we should deal with it differently. And women should be involved in the decision making, and their voices to be not only heard, but also to really implement, and respond to the needs of women and make sure that they are not again excluded. Because this time, if we fail to put women in really the top priority of managing this crisis, we're going to be in serious issues in the region. No doubt. Women are, through this crisis, they were the nurses, they were the service providers, like for the necessity needs during the crisis. But now when we look at the development plans of different countries, unfortunately, women are not in those plans. We are not considering the issue of women as one of the top priorities in the development plans, post plans in the region. And there is actually a campaign, I don't know if you've heard about it, but Funds for Her, All or Nothing, which is basically an international campaign asking different governments and top leaders to make sure that in the funding plans that they put women issues part of it, because so many countries and so many governments have actually excluded the issue of women in the development plan after Corona. And that again shows that, if we really want to support women, we need to put our money where our mouth is.